Here's 7 tips to keep your trash cans clean and smelling fresh, prevent maggots, and avoid animals visiting them for less than a minute's work and less than $1. Now, for the best results, start off with a clean bin. So let's start. Tip 1, use BagEZ trash bag holders to hold open the small compostable bags you find in stores from 9 gallons onward in your bin. It stops the messy food waste you throw in from touching and coating your container in filth. If nothing sticks, nothing stinks. Next, we have step 2, the safety of your bin depends on the durability of the bag to hold waste. So always use a bag and brand you trust to prevent accidental leaks or rips. Now, you can skip step 3, but I'd prefer you didn't, because I believe in taking 2 seconds to prevent 10 mins of work. On garbage day, you're going to release and seal the bag. Now, even though the time your trash bag sits on the bottom of the bin is not enough to mess it up, it's best to plan for the worst. So here's tip 3. Throw a few newspapers in the bin to prevent any accidental leaks from causing a mess, but mainly to act as a bed and shield for the bag containing the waste you freed from the BagEZ frame from touching your bin while it sits where the garbage truck swings by. Tip 4, use an antibacterial spray on the lid, the rim, and the inside of the bin to kill germs and any lingering smell. It's best to do this every week after your trash is picked up and before putting BagEZ back to work, protecting your bin from filth. Tip 5, use an odor catcher and freshener to capture bad odors and give off clean smell every time you open your bin to use it. We also recommend using peppermint, fragrance-emitting pouches or oils on the outside of the bin, as flies and pests dislike the smell and tend to stay away. 6, helps keep flies out of your bin. So hang a flycatcher near or above your bin, especially in summer, to stop flies from accessing your container and laying eggs. There are made DIY fixes to help you keep flies away online, so please check which fix works best for you. And finally, tip 7. This tip helps prevent maggots from taking over your bin in case a few flies still manage to find their way in and lay eggs. It will kill the maggots immediately while keeping them contained in the bag. You can use baking soda, salt, vinegar, or sprinkle diatomaceous earth, what's commonly known as kitty litter, over the waste every time you open the lid to throw in your kitchen scraps. These natural products kill maggots on contact and prevent an infestation. By following these 7 simple tips, you can keep your green bin clean and smelling fresh 24/7 all year long. To learn more, visit bagez.com and use the code BagEZ10 to get 10% off your order. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.